Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 4, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the accessibility section, then to the vision, and here you can find TalkBack. Here you can enable it, tap OK, and after that TalkBack tutorial start.
When Explore Bar Touch is turned on, you can touch the screen to learn what's under your finger. For example, the current screen contains app icons. Find one of them by touching the screen and sliding your finger around. Accessibility tutorial. Change your audio settings. Media.
Okay, so basically TalkBack is a mode made mostly for people with blindness and some other vision problems.
When Explore Bar Touch is turned on, exit button.
It works the way that it speaks out loud contents on your screen. So for example, I tap exit button and it says exit button because it's made for people who can't really see the screen. It works this way.
When Explore Bar Touch is turned on, you can touch the next button, exit button.
So in order to perform any action in this mode, you have to firstly select it.
Next button.
Then it gets spoken out loud, and to confirm it you have to double tap anywhere on the screen like this, and that's how you can confirm it. So for example, if you want to disable TalkBack,
on switch,
tap on this on switch, double tap,
disable
OK, yes, and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.